Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Florida, Florida. All right. Let's see what we got going on here today. Still MS-170. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Por favor, esperen. It's missing here the thing on the lock. Let me see if it's the lock. It's working or not. No, it looks like the lock. I think that's the problem, is the lock. Let me see. I don't want to touch it, you know me. Alright, let's see what else we got. Okay, how's the handle? I already throw pictures inside there. I already throw pictures inside here, but I want to show you a little more. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, look at that baby. Huh? Talking about pretty. Oh, easy on me now. Go easy, girl. Ooh, look at that. Let's blow a little bit to see where we at. Ay. Oh, what? Look at that. All right, enough is enough. Let's hit it. All right. You see, you good? Let me close this here a little bit. Wait guys, I have a new phone and he wants to do whatever he wants, and I always try to tell him to do what I want, but we're in that little fight now. Sorry, let me see if I got it. I think I did got it now. Yeah. Sí. Alright, I'm gonna go for. Let's see what we got. I can see already we have a little issue. Sorry guys, you see the handle is getting stuck on me. It was working, but it's the little thing. Oh, I see what it is. I didn't put a screw here. My bad. Let me see if you see in there what I'm doing. Yeah, you see what I'm doing. Boom, boom. Yeah. I'm missing a screw. That's why. That's one wrong right here. All right. Now we got it. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're good. Let's throw a little of the magic liquid to see we got something. I don't have a lot. It looks like I'm putting, but I gotta put a little more. Alright, now we got it. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, baby. We got it there. It's alive. It's alive. It's not with you, baby. It's not with you. Alright, guys. So far, you have it. Handle works. Coil works. Flywheel works. I don't know if I have the right position. Let me turn around just in case. Oh, I see. This was the right way. Alright. Remember, guys, that's all for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. I'm going to throw some good pictures, guys. All right, thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? ¡Mande! Bueno, un saludo ahí a toda mi gente latina e hispana. Ya saben, tenemos otra Steel MS-170. Luce bien bueno el pistón. Ahí viene que se lo enseñé. Le voy a tirar buenas fotos. Lo principal, la ladera funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. De ahí para allá yo vendo para partes. Recuérdense que esto es una máquina con daños. Por ejemplo, el cloche, no sé si hay algo ahí, pero no me gusta empujar porque estas máquinas a veces tienen mucho tiempo dormidas y como hay que hacerle sus cositas. De ahí para allá, aquí estamos, voy a armar todo y voy a tirar buenas fotos. Bueno, ya saben que se me una la raza.